Hi, I'm Olivia Halpin, a celebrity hairstylist and beauty expert based in New York City. Today, I'm sharing with you my favorite blonde hair hacks and also how to create this cute and easy style. You may have seen me do something similar on Dr. Pimple Popper, and today I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. My first blonde hair hack is purple shampoo and conditioner. I maintain my color between salon appointments by using Eva NYC Tone It Down shampoo and conditioner in the shower once a week. It cancels out any yellow, brightens my blonde, and it makes my hair really soft and shiny. I love that it's an affordable way to maintain my color between salon appointments. After using this in the shower, I either air dry or blow dry depending on how much time I have that day. Today I did a quick blow dry to prepare for the style. My second blonde hair hack is using braids to emphasize dimension and brightness. So from a center part, I'm going to create 2 French braids from the center part to the temple area, going straight back. Starting on one side, grab a triangle section off the parting, separate into 3 sections, and start your French braid. Direct your hands backwards as you go so that your braid follows direction and goes towards the back. Try and keep your sections clean as you add hair and keep braiding. And end your braid when you get to your crown section. From here, we'll add in an elastic. And keep the elastic close to your scalp. Once you tie off your braid, do the same thing on this side. Try and keep your braids as even as possible. So like this one, I have to direct up a little bit to keep it even. So I'm just gonna pull this side up a bit. Okay, that's pretty even. Okay, now the real magic comes in the next step. Now we're going to pancake the braids to give them a lot of extra fullness, thickness, and dimension. So to do this, we grab the pleats from each side and give a gentle pull just to the outside. Then move up to the next pleat. Again, squeeze from the outside and pull out. Move up to the next pleat, squeeze the outside. You just want to pull from the outside, otherwise it'll unwind your braid. So we're just expanding the shape of the braid by doing this. What a difference. Look at the difference in thickness from this side to this side. Such a difference. All right, and now that we've pancaked this side of the braid, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And why is it called pancaked? I literally have no idea, but that is the official term. My third blonde hair hack is using my own hair to cover an elastic. You can use this for ponytails, pigtails, half-ups, any style where you might have an elastic showing. I love, love, love to do this. So from our first ponytail, pigtail section here, grab a small section of hair and begin to wrap around the elastic. You're gonna wrap it nice and tight and make sure that you're overlapping the elastic as you go. If you don't completely cover it the first turn around, that's fine. Just keep wrapping until it's completely covered. And also as you're wrapping, I like to spray a Stronghold hairspray on a toothbrush and then use that toothbrush to smooth down as I go. This helps to hold it and give us layers of security as we're wrapping. Continue wrapping Doing another layer of spray on my toothbrush on the elastic. And then from the underneath, I'm going to take what's left of the hair and use a bobby pin to secure it. And I'm going to hide the bobby pin under the ponytail, under the braid. If you have thick hair or if it feels like it needs a little bit extra security, you can tuck an extra bobby pin in there. And now your elastic is covered. Once you've finished wrapping your elastic and securing it on this side, do the same thing on this side. And there you have it, 3 of my favorite blonde hair hacks. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look, and I'll see you soon.